Today I'm going to show you how to increase stitches in your crochet. Now this is very, very easy. Once you know how to do stitches, it's just a case of doing multiple stitches into the same one. So here I'm using a different colour to demonstrate. Say we're doing a double crochet, a UK double crochet or a US single crochet. What you do is you insert your hook into the next stitch as usual. Yarn round, pull up, complete your stitch. But to increase, you're simply going to do it again. So into the same space, which you can see is at the bottom of the pink here, we're going to go in and pull up. And it's as simple as that. So in your pattern, it will say increase or 2 DC in next stitch, and that's how you increase. Some patterns might ask you to do more increases. So if it says 3 DC in next stitch, or increase using 3 stitches, just as simple as that. 1, 2, and we'll do the same again. 3. And there you have it. That's how to increase in crochet.